Hey guys, I'm gonna clean the drain again, my bathroom. This time I'm gonna use a Nilfisk hose, special hose. You can see the package here, unblocked pipes and drains. Special one. It blow out water this way and this way also. So the other one blow only this way. This one can go this way. But I need an adapter to fit to the Karcher pressure cleaner. One is here. I'm gonna attach that one to the hose on the pressure cleaner. See how it goes. I think I did another video about this for maybe 2 or 3 years ago, and I cleaned the drain. Very effective method to do that. Now I'm gonna attach this one there and put it to the cleaner. Pause the video now. First I'm gonna show how it works. Here's the pressure cleaner, Karcher K5. It's the bathroom window, and here you can see this one, the original one from the Karcher that fits this system on here and blows out water backward, not in the front. Three holes that are hose nozzle, whatever you call it. I'm gonna attach this one here. You can see how that works before I attach the other one. Not easy to film. Pressure builds up. On goes crazy now. It's not easy to film this alone. Put my foot on. Don't want to get wet. And now you see how it works, the other one, the original one. So now I'm gonna swap this one with the other one I filmed before. Gonna attach this one here, and that one to the cleaner. Just push it in and you twist it around 90 degrees and it's secured. Well, I got this on the Nilfisk, and here's the original one. It's a plastic, the one is brass. So I'm gonna put on the pistol. See how that goes. Okay, it's attached on here. It fits perfectly. Put some pressure on. See how it goes. Get wet again, mate. Build up pressure in the pipe and the hose system. You can see it comes out the water. You get the idea. Can transfer the pipe, the hose system into the window and place it into the drain. I'll be back. Okay, here's the sink. I have problems to get out all the water in the sink. Filled up now, you can see. We put some chemicals in it last night. It helped a little bit, but see it's still plugging up. Not so effective treatment yesterday with chemicals. But now I'm gonna drain go underneath here. And down here, there's a pipeline underneath the floor, connected to the drain from the shower. I'm gonna put the pipe in there and shove it in as long as possible and push out the water with the pressure and remove the plug. So you can see now how pain in the ass it is. So get out the grate and place the hose. I'll return filming. It's filming now. So I have one to help me filming while I can work. Okay. And the Nilfisk hose is more flexible than the original Karcher. So let's try. Put it into the drain. Yeah. really nasty. Yeah, okay, in here. And I'm just gonna turn on, film here, I'll turn on. Let me just pump up. Here, man.
Okay.
It's really working now. Last time there's a big clock, you know, halfway under the floor. Not so much anymore. Go film here. You see all the dirty water coming here. You see that? Look here. Oh boy, it's nasty. Get a good wrench and pull it along and get it out. Last time it's really, I could not put the hose in so long as I can now. You can hear for film and then to sink. Here's something. I'll film here again, Corinne. Look here. All that dirty shit. Well, a lot of nasty water here. Shove it in as far as possible. You can hear. You see now, right?
Ja, das ist
So it's the whole way underneath the floor to the bend under the sink. The hose goes vertical up. Oh yeah, this is effective. Just took a good treatment here. In and out. And try to stop and put some water into the sink and see if it's in sink now in the water. Yeah. Before it was water was in here for a long time. Now it just disappears. So the treatment helped, apparently. Good. I'll give it some more. Real clean. This is a very effective tool. So now a pressure cleaner attached to the pistol unit. You rock and roll. You can pull it out a little bit more. See, the water is not so, it's not so dirty anymore, the water. You see that? It's more clear, the water now. Okay, oh, almost, the hose is coming now. I don't want to get water on my head. I just get a good rinse here. Oh, look at that, like water. Look here. Oh, shit. There's a lot of stuff here, man. Do this for a while. I'll do this for a while now, and you can pause the video now. And then I'm gonna film the rest of it. But now, mission accomplished. I'm just gonna get a more severe rinse here now. Really do it for a while. Really clean out the pipe. Don't need to film it anymore. Give the camera. So when I'm gonna do this for 5 or 10 minutes more to really clean out the pipe, and then I'm gonna see how good it is in the sink. This little equipment here does an amazing job. It makes a difference. You can blow out forward and backward, especially the forward position. This one is more flexible than the original one. Okay, I'm gonna fill this one with water again. don't use this one often, but when I use it, it's a good item to have. Good tool. So. Okay. It's really good clearance now. Oh yeah, this is nice. Okay guys, mission accomplished. We are good again. We can continue, repeat this for, well, maybe 2 years. It'll be good and we can repeat it again. So Karcher combined with the Nilfisk adapter and the Nilfisk Drain pipe hose is going to cost 190 or 200 kroners in Danish money. On sale, I think it's almost nothing. It's actually cheaper than the original Karcher system, but I think it was more effective because the sprays forward high pressure. So it's my review of this item and equipment from Nilfisk. Thanks for watching. I'm out of here. Bye.